ओके सो जय हिंद एवरीवन।
जय हिंद सर।
तो जिस तरह से आपको पता है कि जिंदगी एक पल है, इसमें ना आज है ना कल है, जी लो इसको इस तरह। जो भी कोई आपसे मिले वो बस यही कहे, यही उसकी जिंदगी का सबसे हसीन पल है। नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आज हमारे इस चैनल में। तो आज हम एक रिप्रेजेंट करने जा रहे हैं जो समाज का ऐसा तबका, यानी कि जिसको बोलते हैं न्यूट्रल जेंडर, और बोलते हैं ट्रांसजेंडर, और बोलते हैं LGBT कम्युनिटी। यानी कि आप देखिए समाज में हमारे किस तरह से हमें उनका सहयोग करना चाहिए, हमें उनका हेल्प करना चाहिए। और दूसरी चीज़ है, देखिए अगर हम उनका सहयोग करेंगे तभी वो कुछ अच्छा कर पाएंगे, तो हमें उनके लिए सोचना चाहिए और हमें पॉजिटिव रूप में लेना चाहिए। और दूसरी चीज़ है, हमेशा से हर इंसान को, यानी कि राइट टू इक्वलिटी, हर किसी को समान अधिकार देना चाहिए। देखिए बेटा, यहाँ पे मैं बोलना चाहूँगा, यानी कि ये संसार है, जीवन है, वी ऑल आर ह्यूमन बीइंग। हमें एक दूसरे की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए और हमें बराबर, यानी कि कभी भी किसी को कमजोर नहीं समझना चाहिए। तो आज हमारे साथ मौजूद है हमारे कुछ बच्चे, ये आपके सामने एक ड्रामा यानी कि एक एक्टिविटी कर आपको दिखाएंगे और आप इसको एंजॉय करिए। चलिए, थैंक यू, एंजॉय करिए, चलिए स्टार्ट।
So Jai Hind everyone. So today we are having a dramatically based story on a transgender and his father. So basically the struggles in the transgender life. So viewers, let's start with the story and I hope that you shall enjoy it.
Oh good, why I am a transgender? People don't treat me like all of us.
Don't worry my child, transgender is a God gift, so don't worry.
I am going to outside for earning something.
Hey you transgender, shame on you.
Where are you wandering? In this society embraced me, because in this society transgender is not allowed. So get out my home.
Okay, I am going outside for earning many things, and I am become a successful man.
Okay, get out.
Someone please help me. Hey, stop.
Thank you for helping.
You are welcome.
Take this money.
Thank you. Hey you, I want to become a judge, and you are a judge, so give me some tips and tricks for clear the CLAT exam.
Yes, I will definitely give you some tips and tricks so that you will clear your judge exam. So
Okay, so gentlemen, now it's time for the written examination of the CLAT examination. So now we are swinging the let the viewers. Let's start with the written examination. Okay, so after the exam has been done, so basically all the people were ready to view their representation, their result, and after the result, the transition got a good news that he has just succeeded this examination, and this is a very good achievement for him to clear the CLAT examination. And with this, I think that we should continue with it. I hope that you are enjoying with this.
Oh yes, I am a clear the CLAT exam.
You should not become a judge. You should not become a judge.
But why?
You are a transgender. Shame on you.
did you clear the judge?
Yes.
Now should you become a judge?
Yes, I am become a judge now.
I listen that you clear the CLAT exam.
Yes, you listen the truth.
Why should you become a judge? You should become a businessman
But why I am become a businessman?
because the society does not accept you as
But
a
why?
judge. If the society does not accept you as a judge, you should be a businessman. Come with me.
Okay.
I teach you the business.
Okay, so viewers, after a lots of struggle in the transgender's life, he got to find that he got to know that now he has become a businessman and is earning a lots of money. So after all, when he comes to his home, his father appreciates his father knows his value, what is the value of his son in his life, and and after that, now we are going to see that how the father appreciates his son's values.
Okay, well done, my son. You a great businessman.
Thank you.
You should now live with me. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
So this shows that the importance of money, the importance of this thing is very important, like the importance of the resources is very important, and for that only I think that the transgender should be treated equally, because as we know that, so we also know that in the Supreme Court we have also talked about the Article 14, which is the right to equality, and it is should not given to the gender male or female, it should also given to the neutral gender or the transgender. And I think that with this we should end. So I hope with the upcoming video we will have a great fun, and I think that I hope that you will enjoy this video. So with us, thank you.